Can I get Peacock on my Sharp Smart TV? Yes, Peacock is available on some Sharp Smart TVs, but compatibility depends on the model and operating system. Sharp TVs that run Android TV or Roku TV support the Peacock app, while older models with Aquosnet Plus or other proprietary systems may not. If Peacock is not available on your Sharp Smart TV, you can still access it using external devices or casting. 1. Checking if your Sharp Smart TV supports Peacock. Sharp Smart TVs come with different platforms such as Android TV, Roku TV, and Aquosnet Plus. To check if your TV supports Peacock, press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. Search for Peacock in the App Store. If the app appears, your TV supports Peacock. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing Peacock on a compatible Sharp Smart TV. If your Sharp Smart TV supports Peacock, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store for Android TV or Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. Search for Peacock and select the app. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, sign in with your Peacock account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Peacock. If Peacock is not available on your Sharp Smart TV, you can access it using an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast with Google TV, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply connect the device to your Sharp Smart TV, install the Peacock app, and log in to start streaming. 4th, casting Peacock from a mobile device. If your Sharp Smart TV does not support Peacock natively, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Make sure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Peacock app on your mobile device. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast, or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your Sharp Smart TV and the content will play on your TV screen. If your Sharp Smart TV runs on Android TV or Roku TV, you can install Peacock directly. Otherwise, using an external device or casting option allows you to access Peacock. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can stream Peacock with ease.